Hello, my name is Joe Murray. I'm a gastroenterologist at the Mayo Clinic Rochester in the celiac disease program. The treatment for celiac disease has for many decades been limited to a gluten-free diet. As we understand more about what causes celiac disease and how the damage in the intestine is triggered by gluten, it's opened up many new targets for development of treatments. Those targets, very few of them have actually developed into a treatment that's being tested in humans, but there are now at least 3 that have had some clinical trials undertaken in celiac disease. One in particular has just recently announced plans to be taken to what's called a phase 3 trial. Phase 3 trials are the trials that are done to obtain the evidence needed for registration or approval for use. These trials tend to be large, they're often expensive and demanding, and they're a major hurdle for approving any new treatment. The sponsor, usually the company, has to be able to prove that the drug is safe and effective. We know in celiac disease a gluten-free diet is safe. It's maybe not necessarily 100% effective, as we know it's very hard to adhere to. There's a high burden on the patients who have to adhere to a gluten-free diet, and many patients don't achieve complete healing. It is exciting to hear that one of these candidate drugs is being now planned to enter into phase 3 trials. We at Mayo and the Mayo Research Program here have been involved in trials of not only this and other drugs, but also other drugs related to celiac disease. We're especially excited to see a drug reach this stage of development. While ultimately it is the data that is shown by this trial or these trials that ultimately is required for approval, it does provide us with hope that we'll be able to provide something else in addition to a gluten-free diet as a choice to help our patients with celiac disease. Thank you.